Hello everyone, I'm Johao. Today I'm showing you our factory through this video. Established in 2014, located in Jiang City, Guangdong Province. Guangdong Yilian Cables Company Ltd is a leading manufacturer of cables. In this video we invite you to take a closer look at our factory's production process. From raw materials to finished products, every step is meticulously managed to ensure the highest quality and reliability. Okay, now we are in the first floor of our factory. Please follow me. On my left is our indoor cable production line. This set of machines mainly produces indoor cables. In a world where every networking need is unique, our factory presents a solution: customized network cable. Customized Ethernet cables can be tailored in several ways. First, the length can be adjusted to fit your space perfectly. Second, you can choose the color of the cable. Third, select cable categories such as Cat5, Cat6, Cat7, conductor materials copper or copper-clad aluminum, conductor size and special environmental requirements. By choosing the perfect length, color, type, material and special features, you can create a network that's optimized for your specific needs. This is our Cat6 indoor LAN cable. It is packed by Easy Pull Box. It ensures tangle-free installation in offices, homes or any places. Made of high-quality PVC jacket, it is highly durable and can withstand daily wear and tear. Customized color are available and also can print your logo or information. Next one is our outdoor cable production line. Here we combined 8 insulating layers, round wires and ripcord together. And formed a smooth and visible outdoor network cable. The printing words on the cable is done by laser printing, clear and non-erasable. This is the packaging method for outdoor cables, which use wooden reel packaging. This is our Cat6 outdoor LAN cable. It is PVC plus PE double jackets, used wooden reel package. The inner jacket against internal damage. While the outer UV-resistant, waterproof jacket conquers rain, sunlight, and extreme temperatures, keeping signals steady in any weather. Next, let's come to see the second floor, our patchcord workshop. In this workshop we can see there are several steps for making a patchcord cable. Ensure the highest quality and reliability. Here we can see our machines that are making insulation. And all of these machines make the twisted pairs. When we finish making the cables, we cut them as the length we needed. Stripping the outer jacket. Installing the RJ45 connectors. Making the mold injection on the both ends. Checking the power on condition of the cable. And then we make the individual package like bag or box packing after the final inspection. Now let me show you our patch cord cable products. Our network patch cords enable high-speed stable data transmission. Made from durable oxygen-free copper conductor or CCA conductor and flexible PVC jacket, they endure thousands of bends and cycles. Available in standard colors blue, gray, green, black, etc. and customized color as your request. In the end of the introduction, we will show you our power cable workshop. It is the same process of patch cord cable. Here we offer a variety of different countries' plug types like EU, UK, USA. We also support OEM or ODM service for you. You can customize a new and special mold for yourself. Stripping the outer jacket. Making the mold injection on the both ends of the cable. Checking the power on condition of the cables. And then we make the package after the final inspection. The regular packaging of our power cables is bulk packaging. We can also package them according to your requirements. Our power cables have UK power cables, EU power cables, Africa power cables, American power cables, and Brazilian power cables. Customized services are also available. At the end of the video, we here stand by our company and our factory to welcome customers from all over the world. Welcome to inquiry and visit us. More information you can browse our website www.yiliancable.com.